Hello again, beautiful. Welcome back to day 2 in my graduation transformation series. I'm excited because it's photoshoot day. Woo! Now, yesterday I brought you guys along as I transformed my hair. You watched me install Spicy, and today we're going to get slayed. Yeah, so listen, I'm about to exchange this tired look for a new one. I'm bringing you guys along so that you can witness the magic. For those of you who are part of the Regal team, you already know me. But if you're new here, my name is Robin. And on this channel, I talk about my braces journey, natural hair, lifestyle, and whatever the good Lord impresses on my heart to share with the people. So go on down below, please. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notification, like my videos, share my videos, and of course, hit me up in the comment section because I love interacting with you guys. Now, it's time for the magic to begin. Are you ready? Yeah? Then let's go. This week, I'm inspired by the book of Psalm, especially chapter 118, verse 24, which says, "This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it." Today's video is all about makeup. And we all know when applying makeup, it's important to ensure that your skin is properly cleaned and cared for both before and after. I've shared with you in this video my simple but effective skin routine, but I'm excited to tell you guys about this incredible product that I received in the mail to try. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now, and I'm already seeing results. Let's break briefly so you can learn more about this amazing product, as well as how you can also try products for free. Hey there! Ever wish you could be compensated for sharing your thoughts and opinions on products you already own? Guess what? You can. I am so serious. So I just discovered this app called Influenster. By simply downloading the app, filling out your profile, and sharing your honest opinions and thoughts on products you already own, you will receive in exchange Vox boxes. Isn't that cool? Well, once I learned about it, I instantly jumped on it, and to my surprise, I received right in the mail my very first Vox box just in time for Mother's Day. So this is what it looks like. Whoops. And you guys already know I'm big on packaging. So this was the packaging. So here it is, y'all. It's Neostrata's new Hydrofilling Eye Gel Cream. This product promised intensely hydrated and visibly firmer skin. Now, y'all already know that I was in university and it was a killer on my sleep habits, leaving me with suitcases under my eyes. Now, this scent-free product is formulated with hyaluronic and polyhydroxy acids. These two special ingredients will deliver plumping moisture to the under eye contour area, which will visibly refill and smooth fine lines in 4 short weeks. I've been applying it twice daily as directed, and I'm already seeing the difference. I love how lightweight and non-greasy this gel cream is. It simply melts into my skin. I urge you to download the Influenster app today, fill out your profile, start reviewing products so you too can start receiving your Vox boxes in the mail. Now, back to the beats. Nope, not that one. This beat. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you to the makeup goddess. She creates magic with a brush. I'm going to put her information down below so you can follow her on Instagram and check out her amazing work.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. You pick the station, sunrise, no destination. No lie, I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
So different, 'cause others wouldn't even try. Nobody ever took the time. I get way too in my head about everything I do, figuring out what to say, 'cause it's so new. But you've been so patient, and I appreciate it. Wish I didn't get like this, and I don't know why I overthink like I do. But it all seems to go away when I'm with you. I can get nervous when I got no reason to be. It's just I still can't believe that you wanna be with me. Wish I could find the words to explain just how I feel. Convince myself it's real. so patient, and I appreciate it. Wish I didn't get like this. And I don't know why I overthink like I do. But it all seems to go away when I'm with you. I can get nervous when I got no reason to be. It's just I still can't believe that you wanna be with me. Wish I could find the words to explain just how I feel. Convince myself it's real. You smile when I focus over all the little things, and I don't think that you notice when I catch you staring. You make me feel beautiful in a way I haven't felt before. No assumptions, so much more. And I don't know why I overthink like I do. But it all seems to go away when I'm with you. With you. With you. With you. With you.
So y'all, I'm here. I just want to bring a beautiful day to an end. So I had my photo shoot today. It was amazing. Thank you guys for coming along. Thank you for this entire week. You know, this was a long time coming and it's so surreal to me. I am over the moon with happiness. You know, it's been a bumpy road, to be honest. Like, I lost my grandma. Well, before losing my grandmother, I lost my friend. I lost my grandmother. It's just been really crazy. But all in all, pulled it together. We made it. I'm happy. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And thank you for sharing in my journey. Live your blessed life. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys. It's the beat from me, though.
Believe I'm something special, can't take that from me.